guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be making a facial oil, not just a regular facial oil, but an anti-aging facial oil blend. An anti-aging facial oil blend that is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, omega-3, linolenic acid, and you name it. This oil blend, guys, is perfect for forehead wrinkles, deep laugh lines, sagging jawline. Good also for your neck, and it's even good for your hands. It is perfect to use all over your body. It's gonna have to smooth the skin, lock moisture in the skin. It's gonna have to transform the skin. If you're looking for younger, naturally glowing skin, this oil blend is for you. And all you need on the skin is 1 to 2 drops. 1 to 2 drops AM and PM can have to transform not only your face but also your neck and décolleté. So if you're interested in this video, if you want to see how I blend these oils, this anti-aging facial oil that can help to transform your skin, this video is for you, so continue watching. Now, to make this blend, my first ingredient is going to be grapeseed oil. And you can use the grapeseed oil that you have in your pantry. Grapeseed oil is lightweight and easily absorbed, making it ideal for all skin type, including acne-prone skin. It helps lock in moisture by strengthening the skin barrier. It doesn't clog up pores, and also it is rich in vitamin E and polyphenol. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of the grapeseed oil. This we are using as a base oil. A base oil is an oil that can help to dilute more stronger looking oils, also known as a carrier oil. My next oil is going to be some jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is a very special oil since it is very similar to human sebum, which help trick the skin into thinking that it has produced enough oil, making it great for oily skin or combination skin. It's an excellent humectant, sealing in moisture and softening the skin without leaving it greasy. Ideal for dry or flaky skin, but lightweight enough for daily use. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of the jojoba oil, adding this to the bowl along with our carrier oil, which is our grapeseed oil. And now we're moving on to some rosehip seed oil. Rosehip seed oil is a rich oil rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. It's make a perfect anti-aging oil, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and also help to boost collagen production in the skin. It's a very light oil that will not clog the pores, and this oil is great to mix with other oils to keep the skin looking younger for longer. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of the rosehip seed oil. My next oil is going to be vitamin E oil. And vitamin E oil is a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radical and exposure to pollution. Vitamin E oil can help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines and dullness while improving elasticity, help boost collagen and repair damaged skin cells, making the skin smoother and more youthful looking. Another thing about the vitamin E oil is that it also helps to keep bacteria out of your DIY, meaning that it helps to preserve your oil blend much longer. Great for dry, sensitive skin or even irritated skin. And now, guys, we are going to move on to some vegetable glycerine. It's another powerful natural skincare ingredient, and it's often used alongside jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, grapeseed oil, like we're doing here for hydration and giving the skin a soft, plump, natural glow. It's a clear, odorless, plant-derived humectant, usually from coconut oil, soy, or palm oil. It works by drawing moisture from the air into the skin, helping keep your skin hydrated and smooth. Very gentle, and it's good for all skin types. So we're using 1 teaspoon of the vegetable glycerin. And now we're going to mix all the oils together: grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, rosehip seed oil, vitamin E oil, and vegetable glycerin. We're making the perfect anti-aging oil for all skin type. So you want to blend, and you want to blend well. Now, once this is done, guys, it is ready to bottle. If you have a small jar, you can choose to pour it in a small jar or any small bottle that you have. Make sure to sterilize these jars before you pour your oils in. And now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to use my little funnel and I'm going to fill my jars up. This anti-aging oil is going to give your skin deep hydration and moisture retention, help to replenish lost lipid in the skin barrier, improve skin elasticity and firmness, since it is rich in omega fatty acid, vitamin E, and it also helps to support collagen and elastin production. It is also rich in anti-aging properties, meaning that it is rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, and polyphenol, help brighten dull skin and slow the formation of wrinkles, smooth fine lines, guys, and wrinkles, and protect the skin against environmental damage. And all you need from this oil is 2 to 3 drops on the skin. You can use it at top of your regular moisturizer, or you can use it as a standalone. This is also good to take down on the neck and décolleté. And don't forget, guys, to massage it in the skin. This oil blend is also good for your entire body. You can add it to body lotion. And best of all, it will not clog the pores. It just leaves your skin looking fully hydrated and also smooth and bright. Now, guys, store this on the countertop. You can also choose to store it in a cool place like in the refrigerator. And guess what? This have a long shelf life, so no need to worry about leaving it on the countertop. Use it daily on your skin and you're on your way to amazing looking skin. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Now that you made it this far, guys, I'm going to leave 2 more videos here for you to watch. Go ahead and watch another video. Don't forget to leave us a like. Don't forget to comment. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.